Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you're a Canon fan, exciting news is on the horizon. The highly anticipated Canon R6 Mark III is generating major buzz. With groundbreaking upgrades in display technology, faster performance, and enhanced video capabilities, this camera could be a game-changer for both photographers and videographers. Let's dive into everything we know about the Canon R6 Mark III, and what makes it one of the most exciting camera releases of 2025. Canon R6 Mark III. A major evolution in Canon's mirrorless lineup. The Canon R6 Mark II was already a powerhouse, but the R6 Mark III is rumored to take things to a whole new level. From cutting-edge display enhancements to improved autofocus and video recording, Canon seems to be refining its mid-range mirrorless offering to compete with high-end models. OLED display. A revolutionary upgrade. One of the most exciting leaks points to a brand new OLED display. A major upgrade over the previous LCD screen. This change promises superior color accuracy for precise exposure and color grading, deeper blacks and higher contrast for improved image review, better outdoor visibility to reduce glare and enhance usability in bright sunlight. Additionally, rumors suggest a hybrid articulating and tilting screen, similar to Sony's A7RV, allowing for more flexible shooting angles. This could be a game-changer for content creators who require dynamic framing options. High-resolution sensor and advanced image processing. The Canon R6 Mark III is rumored to feature a 24-megapixel sensor, an upgrade from the R6 Mark II's 20-megapixel sensor. While this isn't a massive jump in resolution, it should provide enhanced detail retention, improved dynamic range, better low-light performance with reduced noise. Paired with Canon's newest Digic X processor, expect faster processing speeds, quicker readout times, and overall improved image quality. Autofocus and AI-powered enhancements. Canon has long been a leader in autofocus technology, and the R6 Mark III is expected to take it even further. Leaks suggest dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with improved subject tracking, AI-powered noise reduction for cleaner images at high ISOs, enhanced eye and animal detection AF, making it ideal for wildlife and portrait photography. While it may not feature the ultra-advanced eye tracking of the EOS R3, the Canon R6 Mark III's autofocus will still be among the best in its class. High-speed shooting and rolling shutter reduction. If you're into action photography, the R6 Mark III will not disappoint. It's rumored to support up to 30 FPS in 14-bit RAW with an electronic shutter. Faster sensor readout speeds to minimize the rolling shutter effect. These features make it an excellent choice for sports, wildlife, and event photography, where capturing split-second moments is crucial. Video capabilities. A content creator's dream. Canon is making big moves in the hybrid shooter market, and the R6 Mark III's rumored video specs reflect that. 6K at 30 FPS for high-resolution cinematic footage. 4K at 120 FPS in Super 35 mode for ultra-smooth slow motion. 4K at 60 FPS in Canon Cinema Raw Lite for flexible post-production editing. With improved heat dissipation, extended recording times, and CF Express card support, the R6 Mark III is looking like a serious competitor to the Sony A7 IV and Panasonic S5 II. Enhanced build and connectivity. Canon is reportedly refining the overall usability of the R6 Mark III with a full-size HDMI port for seamless external monitoring, dual card slots for flexible workflow management, USB-C with fast data transfer and charging support. These upgrades position the R6 Mark III as an ideal camera for professionals who need a reliable, high-performance mirrorless option without stepping up to the flagship EOS R5. Expected price and release date. So, when can we expect the Canon R6 Mark III? Based on industry trends, an early 2025 release is likely, with a price range between $2,500 and $2,800. Should you upgrade to the Canon R6 Mark III? If you own the Canon R6 Mark II, the decision depends on your needs. The new OLED display, improved video specs, and enhanced autofocus make it an enticing upgrade, but if your current camera meets your needs, it might not be essential. However, if you're using the original Canon R6 or an older DSLR like the 6D, the R6 Mark III will feel like a massive leap forward in technology, usability, and image quality. Final thoughts. The Canon R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras of 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or a hybrid shooter, this camera could be the perfect addition to your gear lineup. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest tech and camera news.